1 to 10, now we know counting helps our learning